So back when I was in Bolivia, I made a video about the dogs in Bolivia, and unfortunately, one of the things about Bolivia that I didn't like so much was the amount of stray dogs running around in the street. And I personally like to run and hike and whatnot, so I had to deal with a lot of stray dogs. I actually got attacked by stray dogs a couple times, which wasn't very fun, but I made a short video about it, along with a typical day in my life in Sucre, Bolivia. So I thought I'd share that video with you guys today, and I'll play it right now. I hope you guys enjoy.
All right, I am going on a run today, getting ready to go. All right, ready, let's do this. You know what I've been thinking? There's a lot of stray dogs here in Bolivia, and every time I go for a run, I'm always getting chased by them. And actually, a couple of times already, I've gotten bit by, because every time I go run, I get chased by dogs. I get barked up, and chased and attacked by dogs. And I think it has to do something with the fact that I am running. Something about me running through their neighborhoods triggers some kind of primordial thing inside their mind, which kind of freaks them out. We've reached the end of the out and back here. This is always a really nice view. This is kind of where the trail ends. Time to head back. Learn to coexist with the animals here. And that's that.